Punta kayo sa Powwow.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Powwow.
Tapos, kayo magkakakampe. Ay, tatlo.
More on kami ni Kuya Jason.
Kasi gusto niya yun eh. Kami mag-nature trip lang kami.
July 19th, 2024. And anong meron ngayon?
Wala.
It's your birthday day para sa akin. Kasi nabuhay si Jason. Para makilala ko. Masaya ka ba sa birthday mo? Please. Camping na naman. Favorite namin ang camping. Kasi nasa nature. Excited ang momo ko. Oh? Ay sus. Rolak yan. Are you happy, Momo?
Alright, we're here now at Tunnel Mountain campsite, and this is our second time here in Tunnel Mountain for this year.
They set up their tent for us. Just gonna be here.
We need Crocs with socks.
Hi James.
It's wet.
Oh, it was really hot in this spot.
Then we're gonna set up our tent.
It's Unity.
Set up our tent.
Weekend
Today's our special day.
Yeah, I don't.
You know what it is? My special day.
Huh?
And for those of you watching, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys.
Yeah. No, I was.
It's this, I know it's hot.
Wow. 1, 2,
Wow.
for this. 1, 2, 3.
Wow. It'll be sunny and sunny tomorrow. It's gonna be hot, but right now it's cloudy, so it's all good. I'm gonna relax and we'll see you guys in the morning.
Dinner with fish. Danggit.
Chill by the water. No, but Johnson
Same
Lake.
moment.
If it's the one we showed Bach, remember?
Hello, good morning. This is our second day here in Tunnel Mountain.
Breakfast na, vloggers.
What did you cook this morning?
Fried rice, shinapa, hot dog.
No fire right now because there is a fire ban.
Okay.
So it's delicious. And after this, coffee, and it's gonna be awesome.
Right, Olivia?
Say hi. Good morning to the vlog.
I heard him.
You sleep, baby? You sleep?
Huh?
You sleep?
Yeah, I love it. It's good.
Did you sleep, Mama?
What is that?
You sleep.
What is that? Mom, it keeps on chip, 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 Mom. Ba talaga luto? The best.
Naubos na yung itlog eh. Ako yung sinunod. Taog.
Yung may giniling?
You finish all with the rice.
Sorry, Eunice. You snooze, you lose. May tinapay naman. Wala ka ng sinangal.
Like-
Mochi, nagustuhan mo yung tinapa, Mochi? Ha? Nagustuhan yan. Warning, forget the dog. Beware of wife. You made that, huh?
Of course, I like
Why?
this.
You like that?
The dog is not scary anyways.
This is the dog.
Just the yappy
The dog,
one.
the dog
This
just,
is the wife.
the dog just barked. The wife always.
Si Mochi naman. Arte-artehan din ah. Mochi. Mochi.
Flower blue. Yeah.
Blue, oh, blue, blue, flowers, flowers. Johnson Lake. Not like Willy Wonka.
Kaya pa?
Di ko kakayanin pa. Marami nang bit-bitin.
Kakayanin ko.
Yun is.
Ika'y mawawala. Aking piling.
Well, that's no bad. You take this top. It's nice.
Oh, really?
There's 2 tents in the back corner, but it's like kind of
Go in the water.
it's nice.
Good play.
Ice cream. Just turn it on. Inis, buksan mo nga yung gripo. Doon, yung sa...
Yan lang.
Sa kanto. Tita Eunice will open it.
Wow.
Huh? Okay.
Why? Okay. Yeah. It's in there. Kaya pabayaan mo lang siya. Ha? Wala siyang kasama.
It's fine. I will do that.
Nandito lang kayo ng ilang oras kayo lang.
Tagal din. Yung ano nga eh, pinakain niya. Sunod-sunod sa kanya. Yung si Remy.
Hindi you fed her. Yan lang. Malinis ba yan? O?
Malinis ka ka?
Ano yan? Uy, tangi. Kapo pa yan. Sige lang. Mamaya, hindi na pa yan. Sige lang. Haagen-Dazs vanilla with almonds.
Ito dapat may cone yan eh. May cone. Kain.
Mainit yan. Dito. Stay there. Stay.
Di umano ang mga napagod sa kakalangoy sa lake.
Ang init kasi, kaya ano na lang, itulog ko na lang itong init na to.
Ay, sus.
Si Mochi din ah.
No.
Kasi nagutom din ako.
Nagutom ka ba doon?
Ayaw ko naman.
Nga kaya, naubos mo yung apple?
Ano?
Olivia pa yung pinagsarap. Self-serving. Ay. Video pa.
I-edit naman.
The files of 7s.
Like in the middle, like
You want the egg? You want the egg?
What egg? They, they're trying to Number.
You like the game? Really?
Could you not do it over here? Like in the middle.
Who's always winning?
Huh?
Who's always winning? You? Wow! Wow!
Yes.
Ning, how's the game? Good? Who won? Huh?
Is it you?
Are you the winner?
Oh, I think you're the winner, eh?
Really?
We're not racing.
Oh, you're not racing.
You're the winner.
Okay.
Where's the
Tell
where's the
Today is our last day here. We're camping in Canal Mountain. This is our third day. And we're gonna have breakfast. And we will our tent. So see you guys later.
No, you do yours first. Do it. It's on. Put the bread in there too.
Because you don't have those.
Yeah, I know.
uh,
No, but I took the grill out. 'Cause I could have put the grill. Open your knees.
No, me.
Oh, why? Why? Ingay?
Maingay.
Oh,
We're not sorry. We have our
Yeah, get the. That's Jolene.
Snore ka
That was Jolene.
Nahilig ka pa din.
Eat it before it's gone.
yeah, right.
Nahanap mo na yung tulog mo. Tanggalin mo na kung sabang tulog ka na.
I'm gonna get it. So.
Go, pag naingay ka.
Olivia, say goodbye to the campsite.
wow. Wow.
This space?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. This is our end of our camping here. Tunnel Mountain 1. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. And we'll see you again on our next video. Bye.
Birthday, sing to you. Happy birthday, dear Jason. Sing.
Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish.
Oh, see? Prosperity in his life, prosperity in my life. Because I bought a ticket. I share. No, hindi. Healthy and long-lasting life and a good relationship with his loving wife.
He has a good life.
That's what.
Let him be happy on his birthday.
Wish. Sumaya ka. Always happy.
English, please.
Oh, ano pa ba? More camping, Kuya Jay, because you like camping, no?
I love nature.
Oh, he loves nature. What else? Because you like to travel with Adeline.
Especially Len, she loves it.
Especially Len.
You don't love traveling, baby?
That's why I say prosperity. He wants money.
Oh, so
Compared to I love nature. But
More corn.
How about you, Eunice?
what's your...
Say something.
Girl with mochi and other. Please. You are. Yeah.
would like to say thank you for those friends, families, and loved ones who greeted me on my birthday. Lead my loving wife. This kind of celebration. Since yesterday we already have.
Do we not? I'll take the camera. There, it's good. It's good.
Yesterday we celebrated early birthday.
Oh.
Also with friends, people who greeted me on my birthday, special birthday. More camping adventure
Yes.
and more videos that
Oh,
you can
this next
watch.
week ka, no, wait.
Where-
More
where's the
camping
tent?
adventure. So next week camping again.
Next week.
See you guys later. Or I'll see you later. And we have some more surprises, okay?
We will do this. Maybe lagi mo to sa... Yeah. What? What? Hi, Kik. Yeah. What?
See my hand?
Okay, 1, 2, 3. All of us. 1, 2, 3.
We're done. We'll come back on Friday. Bye.